Welcome to Curious at Heart, an engaging way to walk alongside your child as they appreciate, discover and connect with the world around them. We offer Montessori-inspired learning kits for 5 to 12-year-old children to help make home learning a breeze. Each kit comes with a collection of 28 presentations and resources, all printed out and ready to go. All you need to do is grab the presentation you wish to explore the night before, pop it in a tray on the shelf and get ready to do the fun part, engage in them with your child. We believe each presentation is like a seed. Plant them and see what grows. These are presentations we think you will fall in love with just as much as your child. We explore a broad curriculum consisting of math, language, botany, history, zoology, practical life, grace and courtesy, geography and geometry. Our kits come with high quality paper resources, a small number of hands-on materials and a recommended shopping list if you are planning on purchasing further kits to make the lessons come to life. Take a break from the world of workbooks and screens and come join us on a new type of learning adventure, making the ordinary extraordinary. Thanks for visiting our page. We hope to have you join the Curious at Heart community soon.